In this video, we are going to learn what is analysis and the type of data analysis. Analysis is something which we do to our data to get the insights of the data. As you all know, the data which is in raw form will not give any information, whereas an information is a processed data from where we can get a lots and lots of insights with which we can do lots and lots of stuffs. Mainly, there are 4 categories for a data analysis. So, what are those? The first one is descriptive analysis, then diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. We are going to see all these things with example in forthcoming video. So don't skip this video and see till the end. So the first one is descriptive analysis. The descriptive analysis actually explains the past, like what actually happened in the past from the data. And we can get the data from the past things. The data for all those steps are easily available in the internet, and we can download in either of the form. There are multiple formats, and the commonly used format is CSV. The common metrics which we use to do the descriptive analysis are mean, median, mode, central tendency, standard deviation, all those stuffs. And if you see, for example, if you want to know about the annual returns of a textile industry or a hotel, then we just put a graph like this, having our months in the x-axis and the profit percent. That's what we generally do in the y-axis. This is a rough figure, and this does not contribute to any of the real data. So if you see here, the January month contributes about 2% of the profit, whereas if you see the higher percentage, that is a 5% profit has happened in the July month. So this is just a visual representation of the data like what we have. I have uploaded another video explaining in detail about the exploratory data analysis by using a live dataset. So if you want, you can check that as well. With that video, you can get the detailed knowledge for this descriptive analysis. So the next is diagnostic analysis. Diagnostic analysis is which we dig a little deeper into the data. This analysis actually gives us the cause for the occurred event. We can also analyze the patterns, we can form some clusters, or we can have some patterns from the information which will help us to predict the models. So regression and ANOVA models can use this diagnostic analysis. For example, in last analysis we saw like it's a visual representation, but where here you can see like we had a graph and we can derive a trend from here. Like in the month of April, May, June, in July, our profit percentage are comparatively higher, like 4.5%, 5%. So this may be due to like the April, May, June, July or the festival seasons where people tend to take more dresses. So the next is predictive analysis. The predictive analysis actually gives us the insight of the future with the help of our past data. We can do this with the help of machine learning applications. The basic are the clustering and classification models. For example, what will be the sales in the next year? So say for example, these things have, we took all these stuffs from the year 2022. In January month, if we did not do any kind of sorts, any sort of improvement in our business techniques, then we may get the same percent in the next year as well. Like in January, it may be like plus or minus 0.2 with this already what we have, the 2%. So with the help of the already available model, we can predict the data. The next is the prescriptive analysis. So for example, we may have a goal like we may need to increase the, obviously whatever we do, we will try to increase the profit percentage, or we will try to decrease the debt or something. So for that thing, we can do prescriptive analysis for the available data, and this analysis actually gives us the recommendation features. So what we need to do to achieve all those goals. This also gives the cause and effect relationships between the dependent and independent variables. So for example, in this graph is actually a detailed graph which gives which category of people have actually purchased. So if you see in the male category, we had 2 or 2.5, the maximum is 4.5% in the May month. We have got the profit in the sales, whereas in the kids category the maximum is in May month. Maybe that was the time where the schools reopens and the people may purchase more things for their kids. If you come to female category, they have recorded maximum profit percent in the May month and June and in August month as well. So maybe with this thing we can take it like the May, June and August month are festival months where female tend to purchase more things. So with these kind of factors and with these kind of patterns, the shop may take a decision like they can give more offers or more, they can implement more business techniques to achieve or to double the already available percentage. So this is all about the 4 types of analysis. This is actually a broadly classified types of analysis. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do so, please like this video and share this video to your friends and keep supporting our channel. Thank you.